my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We will walk in hand, we will walk in hand, we walk in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live. We shall live in peace.
Before
Riddles all good? No sound, everyone is chit chatting. I believe everyone is busy discussing family still, right? Okay. What has hands but cannot clap? Only clock or anything else also? Clock is easy answer. What has hands but cannot clap?
any more guesses? Then at least please give them for him a round of applause. He opted a correct answer. Thank you. I'm an odd number. Take away a letter and I became an even. What number I am? Two times. You will Google that. Okay. I am an odd number. Take away a letter and I became an even. What number I am? Seven. Again, he is correct. See, he'll win everything, I think so. Okay. Still more parents have to come or all are present now? Zebra?
Right, dear parents, and to all my little stars. Today is a day of joy and excitement as we gather here to inaugurate our beloved kindergarten. It fills my heart with the pride to see all the little faces beaming with enthusiasm. They are ready to share their talents and creativity with us. A very warm welcome to all of you. I would like to introduce our chief guest, Mr. Ketuho K. Sumi. He is basically from Nagaland. He has done Bachelor of Divinity in Theology and Master of Theology from Shuatas, Allahabad. Done Diploma in Ecumenicism from Ecumenical Institute of Busse, Switzerland. Right now working as admin officer in ECC since last year. It is a pleasure to have him in our annual day, and we would like to thank our chief guest, Mr. K. Sumi, for giving us the venue for conducting our annual day for our school. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to call our chief guest, our director, and our principal ma'am to on the stage to lightening the lamp. Please come, ma'am. So they can start.
Our guest wants to speak 2 minutes, so you can first have it, then I can cover.
Oh, okay, sir. Yeah. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. You can start, sir. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, ma'am. So I would like to call upon our chief guest to speak few words.
Good morning, one and all. Thank you, Chairperson, for giving me this time, respected Principal, Director, and also the faculty member, and also all the parents of the children. I, on behalf of the Honorable Director of ECC, very Reverend Dr. Chan P. Thomas, and also the ecumenical staff, would like to welcome each one of you to the Ecumenical Christian Center. And my presence here is feel tremendous joy for the wonderful gift. And also, may God continue to bless your school and best wishes for the annual day. And also, I just want to share a little bit about ECC, Ecumenical Christian Center. Ecumenical Christian Center is for the humanity. It was established in the year 1963 by very Reverend Dr. M.A. Thomas from the Mar Thoma community. And the main purpose of the center is the unity of humankind. We have three main objectives. The first objective is the unity of faith between the churches and between different religions. And the second objective is to empower the humanity. We bring the many issues like on women, human rights, and children, and also the subaltern. And we organize many seminars regarding this issue. And the third point is we promote the eco-friendly, we creation cares. And apart from our programs, we also allowed other organizations, schools, or churches to take up the programs in our center. And it's a privilege to have each one of you. And as you celebrate the annual session, annual day, I pray and I hope that children will reach the full potential, and may you all enjoy the day. Have a good day, and may you enjoy your stay at ECC. Thank you once again. Thank you.
So I would like to call our director, sir, to have a speech. Please come, sir.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I'm really thankful to Mr. Somi sir for accepting our invitation and honoring this event in your presence. To all the parents and the grandparents, thanks a lot for taking your precious time to come over here and cheer the little ones. As you all know, this is the biggest thing of this academic here. This is our annual day here. And the little ones have really worked hard over last 2 months. And they are eager to show their presence and talent in front of every one of you. And I believe you guys are eager to wait for their performance. I would like to also thank the teachers and the non-teaching staff, because this is not possible apart from them. They have worked last 2 months for this event. And also to conduct all the indoor events, outdoor trips, all the PTM coordination with parents, to work with the parents, to nurture the kids. So I'm really thankful to all the teachers and also the non-teaching staff especially. I won't take much time, but before I conclude, I want to actually congratulate our outgoing kids of senior KG section. We have few kids who would be moving out, stepping to the higher education. So I wish all of them do well, achieve your dreams, and most importantly, be a good human being. So thank you everyone, and enjoy this event.
Thank you very much, sir. The annual day function is not just an event. It is a reflection and hard work, dedication, and boundless energy of our tiny stars. It is a time when we come together to celebrate the growth and achievements of our young learners. It is the moment for us to witness the confidence and joy with which our children express themselves through a dance, through a skit, or through a song. Firstly, I would like to thank all the parents for their constant support and trust. Your encouragement and involvement makes all the differences in the lives of our children. We truly appreciate your unwavering support and wonderful teachers and staff. Thank you for your dedication and commitment. It is your hard work that has shaped these young minds and allow them step into the spotlight in such confidence. The preparation of this event takes a lot of efforts, and we are deeply grateful for the care, love, and guidance which you provide every day. And to the children, the stars of the day, you are the reason we are here today. You have worked so hard to prepare for this event, and we are so proud of everything that you have learned and achieved. Your smile, laughter, and energy lights up this room, and today you will shine like better than ever. Kiddos, remember the stage is yours. It's not just about performing, it's about having fun, enjoying every moment, celebrating how far you have come from. The annual function is a special occasion where we are celebrating the theme of Wonderland. It will highlight the growth of our little ones, not only in the knowledge but also in the creativity, confidence, and teamwork through songs, dance, skit, and other performances. Our kids will showcase the skills and talent they have developed over the year, and each one of them is unique, precious, and full of promise. As we begin this celebration, I urge all of us to enjoy every moment and cherish the wonderful performances. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone present here for making this event possible. Together, let's create a nurturing and joyful environment where our children feel loved, safe, and excited to learn. Before I end my speech, I would like to thank all the parents gathered here. I'm sure you will enjoy the program, and this day will be a remarkable and long-time cherishing in your hearts. Let's enjoy the magic of annual function and celebrate the incredible journey of our little ones. Thank you. Let the festivity begins.
A very young star, so please give a big round of applause for her and welcome for that. Please give them a big round of applause, please. That means a lot for parents and same for the child.
स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं अथ स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं आनन्दमङ्गलमङ्गलम् आनन्दमङ्गलमङ्गलं नितप्रियं भारतं 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 नितप्रियं भारतं भारतम्.
Please clap for her. She's getting nervous. You have to make her train.
स्वागतं अथ स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतम्. नित्यनिरन्तरता नवता मानवता समता ममता नित्यनिरन्तरता
Thank you, Vaidutri. Do namaskar. Namaskar to them. Yes. Now I would like to call from Group A, Playgroup Children's, to perform and showcase their performance on the stage. Please give them a big round of applause.
I said that.
Oh, the cheer started. Anusha ma'am, you can take place here. Anusha ma'am, here you can stand. Harshit, look in front. Yes, turn. It's a request, please don't wave, they will start waving.
Rolly, Polly, up, up, up.
Please clap for them.
Rolly, Polly, down, down, down. Rolly, Polly, up, up, up. Rolly, Polly, down, down, down. Rolly, Polly, up, up, up. Rolly, Polly, down, down, down. Rolly, Polly, out, out, out. Rolly, Polly, in, in, in. Rolly, Polly, out, out, out. Rolly, Polly, in, in, in. Rolly, Polly, up, up, up. Rolly, Polly, down, down, down. तितली उड़ी उड़ न सकी, तितली उड़ी उड़ न सकी, बस में चढ़ी सीट न मिली, तो रोने लगी, सीट न मिली तो रोने लगी। ड्राइवर ने बोला आजा मेरे पास, ड्राइवर ने बोला आजा मेरे पास। तितली बोली हट बदमाश, तितली बोली हट बदमाश।
Arms up high, reach for the sky. If you want to be a Ramsam master, you got to go a little faster. Oh Ramsam Sam, oh Ramsam Sam, gooey 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 Ramsam Sam, oh Ramsam Sam, oh Ramsam Sam, gooey 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 Ramsam Sam, oh Ravi, gooey 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 Ramsam Sam, oh Ravi, gooey 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 Ramsam Sam. Arms up high, reach for the sky. If you want to be a Ramsam master, you got to go a little faster. Oh Ramsam Sam, oh Ramsam Sam, gooey 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 Ramsam Sam, oh Ramsam Sam, oh Ramsam Sam, gooey 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 Ramsam Sam, oh Ravi, gooey 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 Ramsam Sam, oh Ravi, gooey 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 Ramsam Sam. Arms up high, reach for the sky. If you want to be a Ramsam master, you got to go a little faster. Oh Ramsam Sam, oh Ramsam Sam, gooey 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 Ramsam Sam, oh
Please make it high.
Ramsam Sam, gooey 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 Ramsam Sam, oh Ravi, gooey 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 Ramsam Sam, oh Ravi, gooey 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 Ramsam Sam. Arms up high, reach for the sky. If you want to be a Ramsam master, you got to go a little faster. Oh Ramsam Sam, oh Ramsam Sam, gooey 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 Ramsam Sam, oh Ramsam Sam, oh Ramsam Sam, gooey 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 Ramsam Sam, oh Ravi, gooey 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 Ramsam Sam, oh Ravi, gooey 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 Ramsam Sam. Arms up high,
my little wonders. Anusha ma'am, see, he's going. Performance runs, you want to go with the parents. Now from team B, playgroup children will showcase their performance. Parents, hope you all are enjoying your kids' performance. Absolutely, then make it a little louder. People should know that in ECC hall some function is going on, right? Please, parents, tell them not to cry. Aru, I'm here only. Mummy is here. Look there. Please, Arvika's daddy, wave your hand. Okay. Aradhana, see? Aradhana, I'm here. चलो आगे हो गया चलो मैम स्टार्ट आराधना ध्यान दे
This is the tribute to Talaiwa. मूंछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के मूंछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के
अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के
कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के All the Rajini fans don't miss the chance All the Rajini fans don't miss the chance Lungi dance, 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 lungi dance.
Please, parents, do it.
डिस्को में जब ये
गाना बजेगा on the floor आना पड़ेगा
लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा ऑन द फ्लोर आना पड़ेगा लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा ऑल द रजनी फैन डोंट मिस द चांस ऑल द रजनी फैन डोंट मिस द चांस
lungi dance lungi dance lungi dance lungi dance you are not fan of lungi dance make it higher make it higher thank you thank you thank you thank you Now I can see the energy in my parents. Now the next performance is from our team A, that is a Kannada dance. I want to see Atmananda sir. I want him to join actually this one. Where is Atmananda sir? Yes sir, please, I want your whistle. Okay, now I'll call them on the stage. Yes, please clap for him. Please give them a big round of applause. It's okay, fine, ma'am. It's fine. Ma'am, track.
Come on, boys, let's start the local dance. All the Apu fans shuru maadi local dance.
See, this is called the craze.
Shaktimanu, Chota Bheemu, Ninna hage, same to same. Supermanu, Batmanu, Neene namage, Macho Manu.
Appa James Bondu, Maga Anna Bondu, Shasti Maru Soundu, Banda Kajnur Gandu. Twinkle, twinkle,
Little star, please. Dance, 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 Apu dance, dance, dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, now we start.
We all love you, our star. Dance, 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 Apu dance, 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 Apu dance, 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 Apu dance, dance, dance.
ಕಾಣದಂತೆ ಮಾಯವಾದನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡನು ಕಾಣದಂತೆ ಮಾಯವಾದನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡನು ಕೊಡುವುದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡುವುದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡುವುದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡುವುದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೈಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಓಡಿ ಹೋದನು ಕಾಣದಂತೆ ಮಾಯವಾದನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವ
Clap for them, clap for them. Yes.
ಮಾರಮ್ಮನ ಜಾತ್ರೆ ದೋಸ ಕೋಣ ಕಡಿಯೋ ಟೈಮಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಡು ಭತ್ತ ಸೇಲಾಗೋಯ್ತು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹೊತ್ತು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಬೀದಿ ದೀಪ ಆಫ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಮಾರಮ್ಮಂಗೂ ಬೋರಾಗೋಯ್ತು ನೋಡುವರ್ಗೂ ನೋಡಿ ಒಬ್ಳು ತಾಯಿ ಮಗುವ ಹೆತ್ತೆ ಬಿಟ್ಲು ಹುಟ್ಟಿಗೊಂದು ರೀಸನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದಿಕ್ಕೂ ಸೀಸನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೆಸರು ಗಿಸ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತ್ರಪ್ಪ ಹಂಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತುಪ್ಪಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಜಾಕಿ 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 ರಾಮ ಚಟ್ಟಿ ತೂಗು ಜಾಕಿ 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 ಜಾಕಿ
ಬೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ನೀನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ
No one's favorite Rajkumar. Yeah, please clap.
ಬೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ನೀನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ ಹೊಸ ಬೆಳಕೊಂದು ಹೊಸಿಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಬೆಳಗಿದೆ ಮನೆಯ ಮನಗಳ ಇಂದು ರಾಜರತ್ನ ಆಡಿಸಿಯೇ ನೋಡು ಬೀಳಿಸಿಯೇ ನೋಡು ಎಂದು ಸೋಲದು ಸೋತು ತಲೆಯ ಬಾಗದು
Please clap. कैसे कर रहे हैं भैया आप? Now I'll request team A parents, after 5 minutes, you can go backside or you can collect, or else in the courtyard we'll call the children and you can collect the PG children only. No other class, only PG children. Let them come from backside. Or else we'll make a line and we'll hand over to them. Yeah. Now I would like to call Team A, nursery dance. Please give them a big round of applause. For PG children, ma'am, I'll call them. No need to go. You be seated at your place. I'll call the children. Parents can take their own places. We'll call the children and we'll hand over to you. Sir. Ma'am, play the track. Ma'am, little come this side. In the red space. Red mosaic. Behind you. Behind. Yes, ma'am. Put it. No. See, Mama is there. Smile, everyone. You are going to rock, right? Yes. Parents, please be seated at your place. It's a request. It's a request to all parents. Please be seated at the place.
Which color do you want? Green.
ओ लाल दुपट्टे
वाले, where is the लाल दुपट्टे?
ओ काले कुर्ते वाले, तेरा नाम तो बता।
Please make it high.
नाम तो बता, तेरा नाम तो बता, तेरा नाम तो बता। ओए होए, ओए होए, ओए होए।
Color, which color do you want? Blue.
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और दिन भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach यार फोटो मेरी खींच की किस्मत होगी तेरी कर तूने ये बात न मानी
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और दिन भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach यार फोटो मेरी खींच।
Color, which color do you want?
In your childhood, you have never chosen the color. Please choose it.
ठुमक ठुमक जब हिट छे तू पहाड़ी बटुमा छम छमे पायल घुंघरू बजने त्यारे खुटमा ठुमक ठुमक जब हिट छे तू पहाड़ी बटुमा छम छमा पायल घुंघरू बजने त्यारे खुटमा लाल त्यार कंगना हाथ में चूड़ी छनहरा लाल त्यार कंगना हाथ में चूड़ी छनहरा चुनरी तेरी
People have to watch, please, ma'am.
चमकनी गुलाबी शरारा हर चुनरी तेरी
Please, everyone watch, right? Throughout the day, they will scroll, right? After cooking and all. Make it high.
Color, which color do you want? Black.
गोरे गोरे मुखड़े पे काला
काला चश्मा है. Oh my God.
गोरे गोरे मुखड़े पे काला काला चश्मा गोरे गोरे मुखड़े पे काला।
अरे कितना गाना बजाएंगे रे?
Now it's my crowd. Thank you. Thank you, kiddos. Now I will request Team B Nursery girls to come on the stage. Shatabdi ma'am, come here. Not in the center, this red one. Yes. Brunda, everyone, Myra, Viha, everyone will perform, okay? Ready? Track. Parents, make a line. Playgroup team A, parents.
जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं। आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं। मैं तो मर जाना है।
Playgroup parents, I'm requesting you all, please. Parents, please take performance and give them a big round of applause, please, parents. I think 90s crush song is this.
तेरे बिना क्या हाल है अपना क्या तुमको बतलाए रे चूड़ियां मेरी रोए मेरी चुनरी रोई
In this much only you all are tired.
तेरे बिना क्या हाल है मेरा क्या तुमको बतलाए रे चूड़ियां मेरी रोए मेरी चुनरी रोई जाए रे बिन तेरे सब सजा है बिन तेरे कहाँ मजा है बिन तेरे सब सजा है बिन तेरे कहाँ मजा है बिन तेरे कहाँ मजा है चाहतों में याद पिया की मेरे पिया की हाय पिया की
Wow, Vivi, superb.
हाय भीगी भीगी याद पिया की आने लगी हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में
Clap, 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 clap. Oh my God, please see their magic. Thank you all performed. Give them a big round of applause, please. Zebra, please come on the stage. Make a line and move. Turn back. Yes, come in a line. Say bye to everyone. Keshav. Yes. Accordingly, they are sitting today. Now it's a time for nursery Team B boys dance to perform. Please give them a big round of applause. Please clap for them. Little louder, I think. Energy drink. We should give energy drink. Yes, Veer and Viancy. Ma'am, track. Lakshmi, ma'am, track. Arav.
छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई आंख दिखाना रे टुपी टुपी टप टप टुपी टुपी टप टप अकल का कच्चा समझ के हमको ना समझाना रे टुपी टुपी टप टप टुपी टुपी टप टप
Ma'am, from one family, one video, ma'am. One family member, one video.
टुपी टुपी टप टप टुपी टुपी टप टप
Please clap.
नाच नचा देंगे छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई आंख दिखाना रे टुपी टुपी टप टप टुपी टुपी टप टप अकल का कच्चा समझ के हमको ना समझाना रे टुपी टुपी टप टप टुपी टुपी टप टप
Kavin.
एक दिन देखे दो अठन्या माँ बोली जाले अधनिया
Who has got Dhanya in their childhood?
एक दिन देखे दो अठन्या माँ बोली जाले अधनिया पैसे दे के दुकानदार से मैं बोला बाबू दे दो धनिया बड़ा सा कागज लेकर उसने रख दिया उसमें थोड़ा सा धनिया मैंने बोला बाबू बढ़िया कागज बेच रहे या धनिया कागज रखो बाजू में
Parents, please settle down. Parents, please settle down.
वो रहा ना काबू में क्या बोला बोला तुझको बताऊं मैं भी कहाँ कम था मैंने भी कह दिया बच्चे को ठगता है चोर मचाऊं मैं उसके बाद
आरव।
हुआ क्या ये भी तो बतलाना रे टुप टुप टप टप टुप टुप टप टप उसके बाद तो जैसे उसका मर गया नाना रे बीच बदरिया गाया मैंने जब ये गाना रे छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई आंख दिखाना रे टुप टप टप टुप टप टप अकल का कच्चा समझ के हमको ना समझाना रे टुप टप टप टुप टप टप
Thank you. Please, everyone, take your place. Brunda, close the door. Now it's a time for game for mothers from Team A and Team B. I would like to call few mothers from Team A and Team B for games. Be sporting, come. Come on stage. Ma'am, come. It will be a fun activity. Please join us. From Team A and Team B, mothers, please join us on the stage. 5 mothers from Team A and 5 mothers from Team B. Yes, ma'am, please come. Please clap for them. They're taking it very sporty. Please come. Yes, ma'am, please. From Team B, mothers, no response. Jimit mother, Veervian mother, Dhanvika mother, Vibhi mother, Please, ma'am, join. Join. It's a fun activity. Please join. Achintya mother, please, ma'am, come. It will be fun. You all will enjoy your old days. Ma'am, behind the curtain, you can take way. Yes.
No, no, in the ground it was. Mayara.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
there's
use
what?
the spots. Let her stop. Nothing to do with dance and all that.
Nothing. It will be a musical spot. That's it. Spots.
Ma'am, instead of musical chairs, it's musical
Spots. Lakshmi ma'am, it is a musical spot. Okay, you have to play and stop the track. Let them stand and take their spots. Ma'am, you can join us. It will be fun. Please come and join us.
Ma'am, 1 second, please. Out.
Take a round. It is your choice how you want to do the time pass near your spots. But don't stand only. Don't take the spots. No, when the music stops, at that time you have to stand on that. How many total people, ma'am?
Yes, we have to count.
10. Many spots we have given.
We have to remove only 3. And one more, ma'am.
Yes, you have to take a round. It's okay. Do a ramp walk. It's fine. We are okay with everything. If we can rock in these kind of dress, why you all not? You all are in comfortable dresses. हाँ, open. I informed already parents not to make them wear precious or gold items, but some child has missed their bangle. If someone feel that it belongs to their child, please and collect from me. Okay? Thank you. Start, ma'am. Lakshmi, ma'am.
Walking slow-mo. Mansala Sogo.
Clap for them. Cheer them.
Hey, my golden sparrow.
Make it loud.
Hey.
Clever move. Ma'am, start.
Hey, Rama, Rama, come and sing. Queen Teddy, Bandang King. Daila, Daila, Pipi Dume. Mala, Mati, Powder Ring. Golden Sparrow, your Nexilla Arrow. Nila, the life, your.
Start.
Rumba sorrow, mask of sorrow, nama payanda hero, singing duet vera yaro, kapila gole, it was.
Yes, ma'am. Start, Lakshmi, ma'am.
Nella sukuna gale, sangadhiya nanakele, ini vanda aale, nikali meene, oru gitla sukuna neene, nikadu line. Golden Sparrow, your Nexilla Arrow, Nila, the life, your rumba sorrow.
Stop. You cannot go cross. Both of you.
நம்ம பையன் தான் ஹீரோ சிங்கிங் டூயட் வேற யாரோ
Please clap for her. Thank you all mothers. Hope you all enjoyed this. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Now our kids from KG, from Group A will perform their KG dance. Please give them a round of applause. Please give them a big round of applause. Track, ma'am. Ma'am, little move this side so that kids.
Enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito,
please,
bebé.
Please make it high.
Taqui, taqui, rumba. Hay music, hay flows. Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui, taqui, rumba.
आजा छोरे आजा गोरे आजा छोरे नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 यारा नाचो 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 कच्ची कैरी जैसा खट्टा नाचो
Louder.
नाचो नाचो बिच्छू काटा लागे ऐसा नाचो.
Yes, now this is called performance. Only scrolling reels throughout the day, but no energy. Yes, now I can see from the end. This is called energy, right?
सावली सलोनी अदाएं मनमोनी तेरी जैसी ब्यूटी किसी की भी नहीं होनी ठंडे की बोतल में तेरा हुनर तुझे गट गट मैं पी लूं कोका कोला तू शोला शोला तू कोका कोला तू शोला शोला तू
Really, I want to praise that father. Really, I want to praise him. You don't know Pushpavati.
Shake it, Pushpavati.
Thank you. You have to come. You all wait at your place, okay? Without you, it is not going to happen. Hope you all are enjoying, right? I can see from Vinay. But what about my Team A parents? Only from PG1 father I can see and mother, that's it. All are very dull. Even I can see grandparents are from their family. You are there. I'm counting you as in my team because from the beginning you are with us. Now it's a time for LKG boys performance from Team B. Please give them a big round of applause. And kids who want to enjoy and dance, please come here. We'll make a grand finale for you all here. Pranav father and Ivan father. Parents from Team A, I think. One parents from a family, they can take video. Because if everyone will stand, it will be difficult for others who are sitting to watch. It's a request to all parents, please. Sir, Ivan father, please. Mother is taking, so please. Ma'am, track.
పొలం గట్టు దుమ్ములోన పోట్ల గిత్త దూకినట్టు పొలేరమ్మ జాతరలో ఊగినట్టు గిర్రు చెప్పులేసుకొని కర్ర సాము చేసినట్టు మర్రి సొట్టు నీడలోన కుర్ర గుంపు కూడినట్టు ఎర్ర జొన్న రొట్టెలోన మిరప తొక్కు కలిపినట్టు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నా పాట చూడు నాటు 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 వీర నాటు 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 ఊర నాటు हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 ले लिया कुड़ी ने दिल सादा हाले थोड़ा साफ जा नहीं लगदा इरादा बुत बाड़ी लंबी नहीं रखी है मुट्टे यार ने है देखदा परादा नहीं हो देखदा पराडा फिगर तो लगदी लकीनो एक बारी दस दो जी इन्नी क्यों शकीनो कल ही तू इटली तो आई मर जानी ते परस तू पेरिस तो मंगाया वैलेंटिनो तेरे को की सिखा तेरे दे की लिखा हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा
Thank you all. A big round of applause. Thank you all. Now it's a time for LKG dance from boys and girls together. Please give them a big round of applause for Team B, LKG kids. Big round of applause. सुनील भैया, डोर क्लोज कर दीजिए, पेरेंट्स को बाहर मत जाने दीजिए. Parents, please cooperate. Don't go in the middle of the show, please. It's a request. For 2 hours, you can reject your calls. Please give them a big round of applause. That's like Maham's madam. See? Team A parents, please settle down. It's a request for Team A parents especially. Don't gather near the gate. Auntie, close this gate. Ma'am, track. Ma'am, you two come this side here. Now Dhanvika father should whistle in this. I want his louder whistle. I want him.
ದುಂಡು ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಸುತ್ತೋ ಖುಷಿ ದಟ್ಟ ಮೇಘಕ್ಕೆ ತೇಲೋ ಖುಷಿ ತುಂಟ ನದಿಗೆ ಓಡೋ ಖುಷಿ ತುಂಡ ಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಅಲೆಯೋ ಖುಷಿ ಖುಷಿ ಖುಷಿಯ ಸಗ್ಗವಿಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಹಿಗ್ಗು ಕಟ್ಟುವ ನಾಳೆ ಯಾರ್ ಯಾರ್ ಯಾರ್
Yes, now I want this.
ನಾಳೆ ಯಾರ್ 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 ಬಲ್ಲರೋ ಖುಷಿ ಕಾರ್ಬಾರ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋ Sing and dance, 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 all of you. Life is sweet, sweet like a honeydew. ದುಂಡು ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಸುತ್ತೋ ಖುಷಿ ದಟ್ಟ ಮೇಘಕ್ಕೆ ತೇಲೋ ಖುಷಿ ತುಂಟ ನದಿಗೆ ಓಡೋ ಖುಷಿ ತುಂಡ ಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಅಲೆಯೋ ಖುಷಿ Hey, ये गोली सोडावे, ये करी कोळंबे, वो कुट्टी पप्पी ना take me.
Hey, ये सिल्क सट्टा नी वेट कट्टा लव सोटा सोटा मी टॉक मी
Hey, my dear Macha, Angara se vaja, nama more sikala, jigga jigga
मडी रानी ये ड्रीम लवानी नम ओन्ना सर फयर पत्ती की रचा दे
Five members from both team I want on the stage. Kavin father, Dhanvika father, Maham father, Nihansh father, Vaidruti father. Please come on stage. Please give them a big round of applause for their passion coming on stage. Yeah, you have to bend back and you have to pass the ball, not from the sides. You have to bend back. Who will collect at the end? They will come in the front, and again the sequence will start in the same. Yes. Sir and sir. Okay, fine. Let's see how many rounds they are completing. Okay. Ma'am, track. Oh, we'll play music. That will give you energy. Please clap for them. Don't you want your husband should win? Clap, 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 clap. Clap for them. Oh, it's a tie. But Arnanda sir, you were 2 seconds delay. 2 seconds. You all won. Only for 2 seconds you were like dragging and he came. Nice excuse. Even my child will come. I have not done homework, ma'am. Okay, thank you all. You can keep the ball. Close. Close. Thank you. Please clap for them. Please clap. At least you didn't came to the stage. Clap for them loudly. Now it's a time for UKG kids from TB to perform and showcase their dance. Please clap for them.
दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया मेरे इशारे पे तो दिन दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया नासिक के ढोल पे धन 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 नाचा तो सबका दी एंड हो गया सारी दुनिया में एक ही फेमस है मुंबई हो या और दिखा तू तुझे मेरा वाला डांस ये है मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू ये है मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू
दोस्तों, आज कॉलेज का आखिरी दिन है और आने वाली जिंदगी के लिए सभी ने कुछ न कुछ सोच रखा है, लेकिन मैंने अपने लिए कुछ नहीं सोचा है। नो रियली, आई मीन इट। और आज मुझे बार बार एक ही ख्याल आ रहा है।
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा। बैठे हैं मिलके सब यार अपने, सबके दिलों में अरमा ये है। बैठे हैं मिलके सब यार अपने, सबके दिलों में अरमा ये है। वो जिंदगी में कल क्या बनेगा, हर एक नजर का सपना ये है। कोई इंजीनियर का काम करेगा, बिजनेस में कोई अपना नाम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा।
Thank you all. Now it's a time for Kannada dance from our LKG Team B. Please give them a big round of applause. I think more than me, you all are drained, I believe. Huh? You are thinking that your child performance is done, so it's okay. I won't open curtain, I won't give child. No, seriously, I will not open the curtain then. Please give them a big round of applause. That's like, yeah, thank you. Ready for my beautiful angels? All set? Lakshmi on track. Smile.
घल्लु घल्लेनु दाव ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ घल्लु घल्लेनु दाव ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ
ಏನ್ ಚಂದಾನೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕಲ್ಲು ಕಲ್ಲೆನುತ್ತಾವ್ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಏನ್ ಚಂದಾನೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕಲ್ಲು ಕಲ್ಲೆನುತ್ತಾವ್ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಜಾನಪದ ಪದ ಕೇಳಣ್ಣ
ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಮೂಡಿತೋ ಕೋಳಿ ಕೂಗಿತೋ ಬಾನಿಗೇರಿತೋ ರಂಗು ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹೈದರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿದೆ ಯಾರಿಗೇನಿದೆ ಹಂಗು
घल्लु घल्लेनु दाव दोस्ती घल्लु घल्लेनु दाव मस्ती कुस्तीಯಲ್ಲಿ दोस्ती घल्लु घल्लेनु दाव
ಏನ್ ಚಂದಾನೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕಲ್ಲು ಕಲ್ಲೆನುತ್ತಾವ್ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಏನ್ ಚಂದಾನೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕಲ್ಲು ಕಲ್ಲೆನುತ್ತಾವ್ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ
Thank you all. Clap for them. Thank you, little angels. Now I'll call my director and my principal on stage for convocation. Yeah, it's okay. You can bring Riddhi as well. They are here. Please give them a big round of applause for my principal and my director and the youngest guest of my house, Riddhi Sagar Rai. Graduate from UKG. They will be going to a big school with a big dream, big desire. Please bless them, shower all the blessings for their happiness throughout the life. They should not face a single problem in their life. I wish for them. Please give them a big round of applause. Now I'd like to call Mr. Sagar and Mrs. Sagar Rai. Ram. Say thank you. You have to say thank you. You are going to a big school, right? Monet. Anuj. Anuj. Dhawan, stop playing. Till time is there to play. Please clap for them. Please, please, please clap for them. Darshika. Dhyan. Are you all ready? Yeah, thank you all. You can have one picture with them. Sir, can you take one picture for them? You can stand on behind them. Hold like this your certificates. Like this, hold. Yes. Look there on the camera. Smile. Please give a continuous clap for them. Please, continuous clap I want. Okay, now, ready? One, hold your cap. Make it fly high. Yeah! Thank you. Thank you, everyone. You can take this. Now it's a time for award giving. Mothers who have shown their keen interest while making the Ganesha, eco-friendly Ganesha idol. From them, I'll call the names. Please come and receive your gifts from the stage. Everyone, please settle down. Please settle down for more 5 to 10 minutes. Maximum, I'll take more 5 to 10 minutes of yours. Riyansh mother from Team A. Please give them a big round of applause. They have participated and they won this. Ram Shashwat mother. Charvi mother. Gunalokshita mother, Anirudh mother from Team A. 5 members. Please clap for them. Now I'll call my director and principal once again on the stage. Okay, yeah, my principal, I'll call her. Please give them a big round of applause. They have participated, they have won this. They deserve this clap. Please do it. From Team B, Ivan mother. Please come on the stage. Brunda, can you pass me the tray from there? In the snacks counter it is. Riyansh mother, please come. Ram Shashwat mother, Charvi mother, Gunalokshita mother, Anirudh mother. Please clap for them. Please clap louder, 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 louder. Ma'am, stand here. We'll have one picture, please. Backstage. You have to go backstage. Ma'am, you can take one picture with them. Now from Team B, I will call Viha mother, Myra mother, Barnalipi mother, Gayatri ma'am, and Shatabdi ma'am. From Team B, please clap for them. Gayatri ma'am and Shatabdi ma'am, please come on the stage. Viha mother, Myra mother, Barnalipi mother, please come on the stage. Shatabdi ma'am and Gayatri ma'am, please join them. I'll announce. He's there? Mom is there. You can just ask Kshitij mother. Yeah, Siddhishri mother. Please raise your hand. Siddhishri mother. You can take care of the articles of Ivan mother. Okay? Thank you. They are also the participants. Please clap for them. There are faculties, as are the team members and our mothers also. So please clap for them for their duo role. Go have a picture together. Keshav, a bouncing ball, you come. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, mothers. Thank you so much. Please clap for them. Now it's a time for a mother and a son rocking duo performance. Hope you all also will do from your own places, right? Now I'll call Ivan and Ivan mother on the stage for their duo performance. Lakshmi ma'am, you are ready? Them for next time. At least they are showing interest. I posted, but no one came front. She gave this much of there. So please clap for them. Please clap. All the best. Please clap for them.
Left leg, आगे आगे, right leg, पीछे पीछे, आजा यारा, let's
सुनील
start
भैया।
way. सर को घुमा ले round, पैर सारा up down, इतनी सी ये बात वे। वो बंदा ही क्या है जो नाचे ना गाए, हाथ में तू हाथ थाम ले। ओए डांस पे चांस मार ले, ओ सोने यहाँ डांस पे चांस मार ले, ओ बलिया डांस पे चांस मार ले, ओ सोने यहाँ डांस पे चांस मार ले।
Please, everyone, go and take place inside. Please, please.
सोना कितना सोना है सोने जैसा तेरा मन सुन जरा सुन क्या कहती है दीवानी दिल की धड़कन सोना कितना सोना है सोने जैसा तेरा मन सुन जरा सुन क्या कहती है दीवानी दिल की धड़कन तू मेरा तू मेरा तू मेरा तू मेरा तू मेरा हीरो नंबर 1 तू मेरा तू मेरा तू मेरा तू मेरा तू मेरा हीरो नंबर 1
Please clap for them. Please clap.
सोना कितना सोना है सोने जैसा तेरा मन सुन जरा सुन क्या कहती है दीवानी दिल की धड़कन तू मेरा तू मेरा तू मेरा तू मेरा तू मेरा हीरो नंबर 1 तू मेरा तू मेरा तू मेरा तू मेरा तू मेरा हीरो नंबर 1
Give them a big round of applause, please. Now I'll call our kids for their grand finale from Team A. Team A or Team B, now I won't distinguish anyone. Whoever want to dance and join, as a parents, as a mother, as a grandparents, from their place they can join. Please give them a big round of applause. Clap for them. Louder. See, parents are so conjuice. Huh? Ma'am, track.
Walking slow-mo.
Brunda,
Mansala
close the door. Both door, close it. Whoever are outside, let them be outside. Close it, the door. This also, close it.
Hey, my golden sparrow.
Anusha ma'am, you can join down.
Kaman Singh, Queen Teddy Bandang King, Daila,
Parents, join from your place.
Mala Mati Pod Ring, Golden Sparrow, your Nangela Arrow, Nila the life, your rumba sorrow, Mask of sorrow, Namapayanda hero, singing duet, Vera Yaro, couple goal, it was in the last of the girl, Cindy and the Kale, and even the Al, Nickily mean, or get the less of the Nina, Nick the line, and Minute Ramune, Golden Sparrow, your Nangela Arrow, Nila the life, your rumba sorrow, Mask of sorrow, Namapayanda hero, singing duet, Vera Yaro.
Clap louder. No snacks, is not clapping for them. No snacks from our side. If you show token, then also no snacks. Louder.
Ya rave la langavude, raperiki rave, ni patale ti avude, ti perkarave Achita moracha, ichata maracha, chukilama, achame tuvaya, achame nedaya, ichame nedaya, chukilaya. Nu kavalaya, nu kavali. Nu kavalaya, nu kavali.
an attitude Bongala.
रोमियो रोमियो भाड़के प्रेमियो काहे गल पड़े हो बिन बुलाए मराठियों
चोरी तेरी हसीना सोरी कभी लगे मोनालिसा कभी कभी लगे लोलिता और कभी जैसे कादम्बरी हाय मेरी परम 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 सुंदरी हाय मेरी परम 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 सुंदरी
सर से पैर तलक बेतहाशा हुस्न से भरी
हाय मेरी परम 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 सुंदरी
What झुमका What झुमका What झुमका
Please give them a big round of applause. Please don't come on the stage, parents. We'll hand over the kids, please. Parents, I request you, Riyansh mother, please have seat. Be careful. Deepam is there. Be careful. Ma'am, everyone will hand over the children. Please have some patience. Please. Now give them a big round of applause. Now it's time for Group B to perform their grand finale with their teachers and helpers. Please give them a give round applause of them. I don't know why parents are leaving. Are they not interested? Just we have handed over the parents. Clap for them. See the Josh of Team B and look at Team A now. Please make it high, everyone. Parents, please go inside. Still the function is going on. Parents are waiting for that.
बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरसो रे मेघा बरसो
ಮಸ್ತ್ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಲು ಹಾರಿದಾರಿರೋ ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ದೋಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ಲು ಹಾರಿದಾರಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ಲು ಹಾರಿದಾರಿರೋ ಸುತ್ತುವಾಗಿ ತುತ್ತು ಬಿದ್ದೆ ಹಾರಿದಾರಿರೋ ಹಾರಿದಾರಿರೋ
Thank you everyone and take your seat. Hope you all are not running late. I think one day you all can dedicate for your children, right? Or still office work, daily that is there, right? Now it's time for our helper. She has done a lot of effort. Please give them a big round of applause and praise them. Ma'am, Kajal song. Not Vishal and Kajal, not only Kajal one. Parents from Team A who are getting late can collect their refreshment and they can leave for that. Oh, I can see parents are getting really late. One day at least from next year, I would like to inform everyone in prior. At least 4 hours, make yourself free, and 2 hours plus and minus for traffic also, because we all are staying in Whitefield.
ಸನನನನರೇ ಹೇಳು ನೀ ಯಾರೇ ಢಮರು ಢಮರೇ ಯಾರ ನೀ ಯಾರೇ ಸನನನನರೇ ಹೇಳು ನೀ ಯಾರೇ ಢಮರು ಢಮರೇ.
Clap for her. They have taken a lot of efforts from many days. And after that also she is on stage. I really want a clap from you all. Please, please, please.
ತಂಗಾಳಿಗೂ ಭಾರಿ ಆಸೆ ನೀನು ಮಾಡೋ ಆಸೆ ಆಗಾಗ ಸವರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಸನನನನರೇ ಹೇಳು ನೀ ಯಾರೇ ಢಮರು ಢಮರೇ ಯಾರ ನೀ ಯಾರೇ ತುಳುಕಿ ತುಳುಕಿ.
Parents are requested to collect children also snacks from there.
ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಸೇರಿ ಎಳೆಗರಿಕೆ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂತು ನಾ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧಕ್ಕೂ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ತೆನೆ ತೆನೆಗೂ ಮೀಸೆ ಬಂತು ನಾ ಕೈ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಹೂವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಗಂಡಾದವು ನನ್ನ ಅಂದ ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಸ್ವಂತ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ನಾನಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧಾವಂತ ಸುಂದರಿ ಯಾರು ಅನ್ನೋ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ನೋಡೋ ಭೂಮಿ. ಆ ಗಿಳಿನ ಈ ಹೊಳೆನ ಆ ಎಲೆನ ಈ ನೆಲನ ಆ ಮೊಲನ ಈ ಮಳೆನ ನಾನು ಮಾತ್ರನ.
Respected principal and director, beloved teachers and dear parents and kids. On behalf of entire school, I would like to thank our chief guest, KK Sumi, for taking this precious time out and considering to be the chief guest. We have been fortunate enough to back out by our beloved principal ma'am. She was always been a constant support and a great source of encouragement. Thank you, ma'am. I extend my sincere thanks to all the teachers for their encouraging and guidance. A special thanks to non-teaching staff for their cooperation in organizing this celebration of our annual day. And I also thank the kid parent. Without them, this event wouldn't be possible. Thank you very much. So you all can make a line and go for a snacks counter.